Hi, my name is Jonathan Cobb. I am the showhead carpenter for Hadestown. Today we're going to go through our automation and scenery preset. On top of show, we always start with one of the wagons. So first, before we can move anything, our upstage header and these two lamps are going to fly out. At the end of Act 1, not to ruin anything, but the wagons are going to open up and they're going to reveal Hell, Hades, on deck, wagons opening up, wagons moving off stage. Next thing, you're going to see our lift moving. We're sending our house props man down to the basement, down to Hell, load some things up. And then we're going to bring this up, you'll see it move. We test it for movement, for sound, for feel. So next we're going to bring in our swinging lamps. So next up, I'm going to line up our deck. We have 2 rings, and then we have a turntable in the center. And then my next thing is I'm going to open up some vents to do our smoke test. So this is Sean Altman. You'll be able to get an eye on his console and see him operate when he's ready to do the vents. On deck, wagons closing, wagons moving on stage. Well, I hope you enjoyed our walkthrough of our preset. That's it.